This isn't how I remembered it. I used to feel at home in a workshop. Now, the light feels cold. It buzzes, distracting me from the moment. My hand moves uneasy and rushed. The pressure's on. I will prove myself I still have it in me. It's like my hands now belong to someone else. They used to act with such a steady and precise purpose. Even my ideas feel now stuck. I knew I had to build what I was trying to put on paper. A proper surface, a place to begin. My mind knows the steps, but my body doesn't seem to follow. It's so frustrating. Why every movement is such a fight? Why do I have to feel like a stranger in my own craft? I started this channel thinking it would be easy to get back into the craft I always loved. I was so excited to show all of you my passions. I thought there would be immediate joy. Instead, I keep finding resistance. It's quite ironic because the main obstacle is me. Maybe I'm lingering too much on who I was almost 15 years ago. Maybe I'm also forgetting the person I am now. Back then, I was a passionate student, eager to learn and prove my abilities. I think I still have the spirit in me. But now I'm different. The hands that used to hold tools as a passion now have to provide for new smaller hands in different ways. My priorities have shifted and my responsibilities grew. How can I reconcile my passions and my responsibilities? The reality that I might have lost my shine keeps shadowing my thoughts. I keep moving forward, thinking of what Wabi-Sabi means. And then it hits me. I restore tools to preserve their history, their marks and imperfections. Instead of fighting to be that young student, I should embrace all that has happened since and cherish it as a foundation for my new beginning. This must be it, a way of living that embraces difficulties, a way that can guide me to find a new beauty within. So I started to focus on one step at a time, doing my imperfect best to find a new groove, enjoying the small victories. I'm on a new path of discovery, a new kind of apprenticeship. This build for me has been a roller coaster of emotions. In the end, I wasn't rediscovering an old skill. I was learning a new one. The patience to be imperfect. This board isn't flawless. It feels honest and raw, and I need to respect it. Its beauty to me, it's in its purpose. It's a place where ideas can meet reality, a place to study, and a testament to the emotions that started this journey. This was the start of my story, and I hope you'll join me for what comes next. Subscribe to be part of the journey, part of this Wabi-Sabi story. See you in the next one.